So still exporting videos the hard way from Descript and then uploading them to YouTube manually, you are wasting time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to go from Descript to YouTube with a clean automated workflow that will save your hours every week. No fluff, no confusion, just straight to the point. Let's fix your workflow in the next few minutes. Descript is insanely powerful for scripting, editing, and transcription. But a lot of creators are still stuck in this old school method. So first things first, open your Descript. Make sure your video is fully edited. And by the way, how to edit on Descript, I have already made time that video on that. You can just click on the I button. I'll provide the video link in the I button. You can just simply go there and see. Make sure you're fully written final, like you have added the captions, all the cuts are done, whatever you need. Now go to the top right corner and click on export and select YouTube under the integration. If this is your first time, you'll need to link your YouTube channel right here. Just click on this sign in to YouTube and whatever Gmail you have login in your account, just simply provide that. It will ask for some permissions. Just a quick authorization login via Google. Descript does not store your password after that. You're set for one-click publishing. And here's the most people mess up. Descript lets you input your title, whatever you want to give the title to your video. You can add the description of the video, even the tags. Here you can add as many tags as possible for YouTube. You should write a strong keyword-rich title. Use your YouTube as your tool of choice like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, whatever works. Paste your pre-written description, add chapters if needed, and pick your visibility, public, private, or even unlisted. You can even drop in your default tags and hashtags here. This step saves so much post-upload time and your video hits YouTube looking professional from the first second. So last but not least, publishing and workflow. Once you click publish, Descript does the encoding, compression, and upload this for you. It maintains video quality and syncs audio perfectly. No need to export huge files locally. Bonus, if you are batch creating videos, templates, Descript's templates, and YouTube upload combo saves ridiculous time. Do your edits, tweak scripts, and just change the metadata each time. Boom. Video ready in 5 minutes. And here's the deal. Editing faster doesn't mean creating lazy content. It means making space for what actually matters. Storytelling, strategy, and staying consistent. Descript paired with YouTube and directly publishing is not just a convenience, it's a productivity edge. So if this saved you even 5 minutes of your life, give it a like, subscribe if you want more creator focused content, and let me know in the comments what other workflow hacks you want next. So see you in the next one.